PW150A. Used on the Dash 8 Q400. You know what's great about it? The power. The entire purpose of the PW150A is straightforward. Suck in outside air, compress it hard, mix it with fuel, and burn it to create a high-energy gas stream. Then extract that energy, mostly as torque, to drive the propeller. Here's exactly how it builds that high-pressure, high-temperature flow. Air first enters the low-pressure compressor, a 3-stage axial compressor. This grabs a large volume of ambient air and gives it the initial squeeze, raising both pressure and temperature. It is the big, efficient first stage that moves a lot of air and preps it for the next stage. That partially compressed air then flows into the high-pressure compressor, a single-stage centrifugal compressor. It spins much faster and flings the air outward, packing it even tighter. By the time the air exits this stage, the pressure has risen dramatically and the temperature is already quite high, close to ideal conditions for combustion. Right after the centrifugal compressor comes the diffuser. These curved passages slow down the high-velocity air, converting that kinetic energy into higher static pressure. It's a smooth, efficient transition that delivers stable, high-pressure air to the combustion chamber. Next is the combustion chamber. High-pressure air enters. Fuel is sprayed in. The mixture is ignited. The result is a continuous, controlled burn that spikes the gas temperature while the pressure stays high. The hot, high-pressure gas now enters the turbine section. It first drives the single-stage high-pressure turbine, which powers the centrifugal high-pressure compressor on its own shaft. The gas then flows through the single-stage low-pressure turbine, which drives the 3-stage axial low-pressure compressor on a separate shaft. After spinning those two compressor turbines, the gas still carries a lot of energy. That's where the 2-stage power turbines come in. These blades sit on a completely independent shaft, so they can spin at their own optimum speed. They extract the bulk of the remaining energy from the gas stream and convert it to powerful shaft rotation. That high-speed rotation goes forward to the reduction gearbox. The power turbines spin extremely fast, far too fast for an efficient propeller. The reduction gearbox reduces the RPM dramatically while multiplying the torque. The result is exactly what a large propeller needs: high torque at the correct lower speed to produce massive thrust efficiently. Like and subscribe. Be sure to check out our links to our mobile apps and courses in the video description.